Aurivita Capsaicin Softgels claim they can repair vascular damage, boost circulation, and even restore performance, especially for men with diabetes. But here's the question. Is this actually backed by science, or is it just smart marketing designed to sell you a bottle? Let's expose the truth. I checked out Aurivita Capsaicin Softgels and did all the digging so you don't have to. I analyzed the ingredients, reviewed the claims, looked at real customer feedback, and even studied the ad strategy they're using. And honestly, there are some serious red flags. Let's start with the ads because this is where things get wild. They claim this supplement can repair vascular damage caused by diabetes, restore natural performance in weeks, work better than medication, and help thousands of men reverse serious issues. They even say things like, "Doctors won't tell you this," and "Don't wait until the damage is permanent." Now, anytime you see that kind of messaging, you should slow down immediately, because those are classic urgency plus fear tactics. The main ingredient here is capsaicin, basically extract from cayenne pepper. Now yes, capsaicin can support circulation and metabolism to some extent. But here's the truth. There is no strong clinical evidence that it can repair vascular damage or replace medical treatment, especially for diabetes-related issues. That's a huge exaggeration. Also, some users mention carmine as a coloring ingredient, which comes from insects. That might not be for everyone. Now, let's talk about real user experiences. Ratings are low, around 2 stars, with very few reviews overall. That's already suspicious. Here's what people are saying. One user said, "It made me feel nervous and sick." Another complained about no shipping updates for weeks. Someone reported heart palpitations after using it. Others were shocked the product shipped from overseas. And one user was disgusted by the insect-based coloring. There are also concerns that the product doesn't feel like real capsaicin, just oil. That's not a good sign. So here are the biggest red flags. Over-the-top medical claims. Fear-based marketing targeting diabetics. Very low and limited reviews. Reported side effects. Shipping and origin issues. Questionable ingredient transparency. Individually, these might not mean much. But together, that's a pattern. So, is Aurivita Capsaicin Softgels legit or a scam? Here's my honest take. Capsaicin itself is real. But the way this product is being marketed? Highly misleading. And with the number of complaints and red flags, I'd say proceed with extreme caution. If you've tried this product, drop your experience in the comments, good or bad. Your review could help someone avoid wasting money. And if you want more honest reviews like this, hit subscribe. Stay smart. And don't fall for the hype.